So hello guys, welcome again. Please go through the disclaimer once. So as you can see here, today we got only put side trade because market was trending down, right? As we can see here, it was late in day that it closed above all the moving averages, but by that time our entry timings were over for the day, so we didn't get any call side entry. Only put side entries were there. So I guess we must have got entry on this 925 to 930 candle, 5-minute candle, because as you can see at 920 we crossed below RSI 40, and our another condition that previous candle high should be above this trigger candle low, that was also satisfied on this trigger candle only. So as soon as we went below this low, trigger candle low, it should have triggered our entry, and our SL would be, as you all know, highest high between this trigger candle and the previous to the trigger candle. So SL would be here. So let's check this SL value, which comes to around 251 level. Let me recheck. Yes, 243 level, which comes around 243 level, and the ATR was at 73.18. So 73.18 into 2.3 is equal to 168.314. So ATR at that time 925 was much below this our threshold level. So in this original strategy, let's check. Yes, it took entry at 929, as you can see, and it closed profitably. I guess it booked the one lot at 1006. So let's check that also. So great. There is one point which I wanted to share with you all guys regarding this strategy. So I found out the example in today's market. So as you can see here, around this level our profit target meets if we have entered in at this candle low break, and our SL would be here. So 1:1 ratio comes here, but we exited at 10:06 around yes, in this candle, 10 o'clock and 5-minute candle. So we exited in this candle. Why? So if you remember, I have already told you in this only code video and code explanation video also that we have used value when keyword to fetch our SL level, right? So you must be knowing, if you have already watched the value when video, that value when keyword gets updated as soon as again RSI cross below 40 level, right? So our SL got updated here at this candle, which is I guess around this. So let me mark. So it's 945 candle when RSI went above this 40 level and again crossed below this 40 level. So our SL got updated right here. So as soon as this candle closed below this, Tradetron will check highest high value between both this candle, because it will now consider this as our trigger candle, and this was our entry price. So our target comes around this level. So as soon as it entered at 10:05, as soon as this level breached, our SL, new SL, moved to here. So as soon as this level breached at 10 o'clock and 6 minutes, we booked our profit of 1:1. One more thing, I also suggested that you guys can use get runtime keyword also to store this original SL value, so that if you would have used this get runtime keyword, then your 1:1 target might have booked somewhere around this level at 1240. So yes, value and keyword will get updated as soon as any candle again cross above 40 and then cross below 40, or for upside, if any candle cross below 60 and again cross above 60, then your SL and your 1:1 risk reward would get updated automatically with value and keyword. So it's like trailing SL only, you can consider it that way. So yes, now you have to decide whether you want to use get runtime keyword or value and keyword. Now let's check the entry time of modified version. So this is the result of a modified version, slightly more profitable, only $500 difference is there. Yes, so as you can see, in modified version we got entry at 950. So as I mentioned, around as soon as this 945 candle again cross below 40 level, then ATR is at 82 level, and your SL would be of only 118 points. So it's under our threshold level of ATR entry condition. So it entered around here. But as you can see, entry timing, entry prices would be almost similar. Like here in original strategy, we entered at 314 price, while in modified strategy we entered at 306 price. So due to this price difference, we got slightly more profit than the original version. Let's check the second entry. So second entry is at around 1130, and then it entry price was this. So as soon as one repair once condition occurred, another also got booked at this price, because we have moved over SL cost to cost or below cost. So as soon as this one condition match, another leg also exited via set level exit. So here our SL got hit. I guess same way here also 1130, 1140. As soon as one leg SL hit, another leg also exited, because we have set our condition that if one repair once occurs and if price is at cost or below cost, the another leg should also be exited. So let's check this also, 1130. So around this level, right? Because on this candle RSI crossed below 40 or in 1125 candle, and as it's obvious that ATR condition would also be matched, because ATR is at 58 and this is 106, range is 106. So here we entered, and after some time, as soon as this candle closed above SMA 10, we got exited. If we would not have exited, then our SL would also would have hit at 1155 candle. So this is, you can consider as bad luck, and you have to accept in systematic trading this way, because after that you can see free fall, right? So, and the irony is we have restricted only 2 entries per day, so both the entries got used here. Otherwise we would again have got entry here, right? Because as soon as RSI crossed below 40 again, we would have got an entry here. SL would be very small, as you can see, only around 49 points, so way below ATR also, and then this would be our exit price. So as you can see, but yes, you have to accept these flows in systematic trading. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys for many days, that you can check this runtime data, and you can see our max profit once went to 6400 and our max loss went up to 9500, right? So I would suggest you to have some kind of trailing stop loss, or at least have lock-in profit level also, as per your appetite, PNL appetite. So this is for original version. For this modified version, let's see. So max PNL is at around 7000. So it went up to 7000 in a day today, and max loss went up to this level. So this we can see because of this condition we have put in universal exit. This was also some people's doubt, that why I had put this max loss and max profit condition in a universal exit. So due to this reason, because I want to if I want to check today's max profit and max loss, then because this condition will never match, right? Max profit will never be less than max loss. Here you should not use less than or equal to, keep it as less than only. So max profit will never be less than max loss, but due to this condition you can at least check today's max profit and max loss level, and accordingly try to have some trailing stop loss. I would suggest that your capital requirement is around 2 lakhs, right? And it went up to 3% profit if you consider in percentage terms. So at least book 1.5%, 2% lock profit at that level. So I would suggest you to go through that. Another thing, this runtime data will only give you value for current counter and for today's only. If you want to fetch the yesterday's counter runtime data, it won't be there. But in notification logs, I guess they give for every day. So like this, after your universal exit satisfies, they give you this max lots and max profit data. So for previous counters also, you can check from this. So this is for today's data. If we want to fetch for 5th January for yesterday's data, so you have to scroll to that day level. Like this is also again 6th January only. Okay, so this is 5th January data. So yesterday max profit went up to this level, right? And max loss went up to this level. So if you had locked the profit at 1.5x, 1.5% or 2%, then you would have exited with 4,000 profit, because our capital requirement I have set as 2 lakhs in this, because it's a 2x version. For 4th Jan also you can fetch data. Okay, this is for 4th January. Still it's 4th January only. Okay, so 4th January you can see max profit went up to 12,700. Max loss was this. So this day you would have got very good amount of profit if you would have used the trailing stop loss. Let's check the original actual P&L without this trailing stop loss, what we got on 4th January. So let's check that. See, this is for 4th January. Actually, you got only minor loss after achieving profit of 6% on your capital requirement. So option buying strategies give you money, but like option selling, you should not be in the trade for whole day. Once you got the momentum, just trail aggressively and book as per your appetite, because you can't know that up to what maximum profit the market will go. Like here you got 12,000, sometimes you might get 20,000 also, but then it is quite possible that you close your day in loss if you would have be in the market, in the trade for long time. In option buying, don't do that. Option selling is best for doing that, but option buying you have to have trailing stop loss and have to have as per your appetite. If you want 1% a day, so here just keep your target as 1% per day. So as you can see, it was easily achievable for all the 3 days. You can check for another days also, like previous counters also, as I've said, for notification logs. So just check and accordingly set your target or trailing stop loss. This is humble request from my side. So with this, I hope you like this video. So thank you.